Yeah, good day, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and you're doing great there at home. Well, here again today on Regina Pacis online teaching platform. My name is still Mr. Prosper, and today in mathematics we'll be looking at triangles and circles. The following are what I expect you to know by the end of the lesson. 1. To define triangle and circle. 2. State 3 properties of triangles. 3. To also state 3 properties of circles. Alright, what's a triangle? A triangle is a polygon of 3 sides and 3 angles. Now this is a typical diagram of a triangle that has 3 sides, side A, B, side A, C, and then side B, C. Alright, let's examine the properties of a triangle. It has 3 sides, which I just showed you. It has 3 vertices. Of course, we know what a vertex is. It's a point where 2 edges meet. So when 2 corners, when 2 edges meet at a point, it's called a vertex. So there are 3 of them in a triangle. This vertex, this point, and this point. Right, and then 3 angles: angle B, angle A, and angle C. Right. Then the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Right. The sum of the length of 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the 3rd side. What does that mean? It means that the length of these 2 sides, for example, is usually greater than the length of this 3rd side when put together. Alright, now the area of a triangle is equal to half of the product of its base and height. That's the normal formula you have known before now, that the area of a triangle equals half base times height. Alright, quickly into the circles. What's a circle? A circle is a plane figure with all its points the same distance from the center. Alright, look at the typical diagram of a circle, where the points mentioned are points B, points A, point B, point C, point Q, point D, point E, point P, point G. These are points. So it has all its points the same distance. So if you have to measure from point C down to the center, then the same length it gives you, that's the same length measuring from point B down to the same center will give. That's the same length measuring from point A will give. The same length measuring from point G. So all its points, they measure the same thing from the center. Alright, now you can also see the radius. The radius is usually the line that runs from the center to any other point on the circumference. So that's why it is denoted R. Properties of the circle. 1, it has all points of the same distance from the center. We have said that already. 2, it has radius which runs from a point to the center. You can see that on the diagram. Again, it has diameter which runs from point to point through the center. That's the line of symmetry. So this line is seen as a line of symmetry because it's a line that divides the shape into 2 equal parts. Alright. Also, it has a chord. Of course, a chord is a line that runs from a point on the circumference to another point on the circumference, but not passing through the center of the circle, just like the diameter did. But then it divides the circle into 2 unequal parts. Then we have a segment, we have the sector, we have the arc, and of course circumference. The circumference is the line that bounds the circle round. Of course, the segment and the sector and the arc. Well, let's talk about the segment. The segment is a line. It's a portion of the circle that is bounded by an arc and a chord. The sector is bounded by 2 radii and an arc, while the arc is a line, a chord line that forms the circumference of the circle. But so far, here is the end of the lesson. I want to believe you understood everything that was said. Just as an assignment, take the following questions. 1, define triangle and circle. 2, Give 3 properties each of a triangle and a circle. 3. A triangle of height 12 cm is drawn to a new height of 4 cm. Now find the scale of the drawing. We've learned that before now, so use that knowledge in this question. Then the fourth question, the last, is if the radius of a circle is 8 cm and its drawing is done on a scale of 3:1, then calculate the new radius. Thank you for listening. Do have yourself a great day. Stay safe. God bless you.